Welcome to Eric Blackman Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackman Guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how I play what I call beautiful chords down the guitar neck in the key of E major. I'm going to show you how I'm playing them, and I'm going to give you the name of every single chord. Now we're going to start up at fret 12 and place a finger on the low E string at fret 12, and we're going to place a finger on the G string at fret 13. Now we'll do every chord this way. The fingering will change only by the fret we're going to place the fingers at. We're going to start by placing the fingers on fret 12 and 13. That's the low E at fret 12 and the G string at fret 13. We'll pick the strings this way. The low E string first. We'll skip the A and D string, not playing those, and then we'll move down to the G, B, and high E, and we'll play it this way. Just sweep like that. Now we can do this any way we want. We can play if we want to, but just to pick them out, we're going to play this. We're doing a down strum like this. Okay, this way we can hear every string. We'll start with the first chord, which is an E major chord. We'll play the low E string at fret 12 and the G string at fret 13, and we'll play it this way. We'll move down to fret 11 with both fingers, a finger on the low E string and the G string as we did before, and we'll play again, skipping the A and the D string. Now that chord is a D sharp minor flat 6 flat 9, which is the 7th of the key. That's the 7th of the key of E major, D sharp. We'll move that down and keep the fingering the way we have it to fret 9. Both fingers on fret 9, and we're going to play a C sharp minor 7. And C sharp is the 6th of the key. We'll move down to the 5th of the key and play a B add 11. We're playing that one by holding down the low E at the 7th fret and the G string at the 8th fret. We'll move down to the 4th of the key and play an A add 9 by keeping that same fingering and moving it down by 2 frets. Now we're at the 5th fret and the 6th fret, and it sounds like this. That's A add 9, which is the 4th of the key. Now we'll move down to the 3rd of the key at G sharp and play a G sharp minor flat 6. Both fingers are on the 4th fret. Next, the 2nd of the key, F sharp, and we'll play, and that's an F sharp minor 11. Both fingers are at the 2nd fret on the low E and the G string. Now we're back at E, and we're going to play that just by putting a finger on fret 1 of the G string and play the open low E. You can also play an E major chord in that one, if you feel like doing that. So again, let's play the entire thing. Ready, go. Now here's what it sounds like if we move in the opposite direction. And that, my friends, is how I play beautiful chords down the neck of the guitar in the key of E major. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.